In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Wix store order as fulfilled from your dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and head to your main Wix dashboard. Make sure you're in the primary dashboard for the site connected to the store you want to manage. This is important, especially if you work with more than one site, because you want to be sure you're updating the correct order. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where the main navigation panel appears. If that panel is partially collapsed, go ahead and expand it so you can clearly see the full list of menu items. Taking a second to open the full menu makes it much easier to find the section you need without missing anything. From that left side menu, select Store Orders. This will take you to the area where Wix lists incoming and existing store purchases. Here, you'll typically see different order statuses, including orders that are open, pending, completed, or in other stages of processing. For this task, you'll want to focus on an order that still needs fulfillment. Next, click on the individual order record line for the open or pending order you want to update. Be careful to select the correct row, especially if several orders look similar at a glance. Opening the order record gives you access to the full details, including the customer's purchase information, the items included, and the current order status. After the order opens, look toward the top section of the page for the prominent action button labeled Mark as Fulfilled. This button is usually placed where it's easy to spot, since it's one of the key actions store owners use when processing orders. When you click it, you're telling Wix that the order has been handled and is ready to be treated as fulfilled in your system. Before clicking, it's a good habit to quickly confirm that the order is truly ready to be fulfilled. That helps prevent status mistakes and keeps your store records accurate. Once everything looks right, select Mark as Fulfilled. That's it. You've successfully updated the order's status in Wix. Keeping order statuses current helps you stay organized, improves internal tracking, and supports a smoother workflow for your store operations. If you're managing fulfillment regularly, repeating this process consistently can save time and reduce confusion inside your dashboard.